Good day, guys. Good day, guys. This is MrShaa. I'm back again, guys, with a very quick tutorial of Coinmarketcap. The reason why I've realized that many people are struggling to use this platform, many they don't really consider it as important as they should actually be considering it, guys. So, without any waste of time, guys, before I get into all that, don't forget, guys, to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget as well, guys, to hit that notification button so you never miss any of these wonderful videos that I post here every day. Now, without any waste of time, I'm just going to try, guys, to explain to you what is actually happening here on this platform and then why it is important for you guys to always know what is happening on CoinMarketCap. Now, let's get down to it, guys. Let's go. Now, if you every time when you open this platform, guys, you can just simply go there, up there on top. You will always find a space where they are saying sign up or sign in, and then you just sign up and just provide information, your email, and then all those kind of things. Then you can always be able to log into this platform. It's an amazing platform, the biggest platform also in the crypto space, where you can find all necessary information about cryptocurrency. Now, on top there, you can see cryptos there. We have about 17,500. This is the number of the tokens that we have. And then exchanges, we have about 456 coin, and then also market cap of the whole crypto market. This is the market cap, 24 higher volume. You can also see there on top of the dominance BTC by 42.0% and Ethereum by 18%, and ETH gas you can see there as well. Now, also, guys, if you come here, you'll be able to see here is the cryptocurrencies. This is the list of cryptocurrencies that we have here. You can always check all the information here, and then the exchanges, if you want to check them, you can always come and check them out here. And these are about the NFTs, guys. One of the market that is actually growing massively, very interesting market, and very lot of stuff, a lot of money that has been made here. And here's the portfolio, the watch list, the calendars, the product so that you can find in this platform, and also what to learn from this platform. There is just massive information on this platform, guys. So you need to be able to check it out to make sure that you can always you always stay up to date. But also you can see here, guys, where I've put ZAR here. This is actually where you change or you select the currency. Mine currently is on ZAR because I'm based in South Africa, so I have to use Rand. So you can always change it there and put it to dollars if you want to do that. And then here we have the trending tokens that are trending in the crypto space or in this platform. Then they can always be, you can always check them out there. The top gainers, as you can see here, Sonic token here is up by 4,703%. It's amazing. This is just a huge growth, guys. This is a huge growth. So these are the top, or these are the biggest gainers. And the recently added, if you don't know where to find new tokens and all those kind of things, this is one of the platforms that many people, they believe that if they list a project, it means the project is legit. That's how people, they believe it is true. It is also not true, and so all those kind of things. But the best thing about it is the fact that they do all the work on your behalf. They research the token, they find more information about the token before they list, so you can always find them there, out there, and all those kind of things. And now this is actually the list of all the cryptocurrencies going down. You can always go and check them out with the DeFi, NFT, Metaverse, Polkadot, BSC. These are the blockchains that we have where you can find different tokens: BSC, Solana, and Avalanche. Now, if you are to come here and then you open Bitcoin right there, guys, I just want to show you some how to actually check some information, why or what is it that we use this platform for. Now, if you come here and then you'll be able to see that Bitcoin, the price, here it is. It gives you all the information, the website, the community, the source code, and also the white paper, the most important document that you must always read. And it also tells you about the market cap of the project, the fully diluted market cap as well, the 24-hour volume, and also the total or the max supply of that project, which is 21 million, and also 80 million being in circulation. So you get all information in this platform, guys. Now, if you go down there, you will be able to see that you can be able to check the market, you will be able to check the historical data of Bitcoin, where it comes from, all the prices and all those kind of things, the holders, project info, wallets, news. You can come and read news about this project, socials, ratings, analysis, and price estimates, and all those kind of things. This platform just has everything, guys. Now, if you go down here, the other important part that I want to show you guys as well is this one. Now, you can come and always come and read more about this project here, where you are able to find out what the project is all about. Now, if you click and then you select a token, Obviously, when you come down here, you will be able to find this information. But here also you can see the price change, all-time high, all-time low. So these are actually the things that you find from these platforms. Guys, I'm not going to be going to all the tokens and all those kind of things, but that's exactly what I wanted to show you guys. But guys, this is what I wanted to show you about this project or this platform. My name is MrShaa.